While we were staying at Berwick, we took another couple of trips out. The first one was a short trip just up into Scotland to visit St Abbs Head. Just come down from the little car park, past these recently opened glamping pods. And then make your way down to the footpath, and you actually walk past a little CL campsite. It's amazing.
Yeah, aren't they? I wonder how long they'll be up. No drone zone. Say that quickly.
No drone zone.
No drone zone.
No fires, barbecues or overnight parking. St Abbs Head is a national nature reserve administered by the National Trust for Scotland. That's impressive. That's those rocks we saw earlier as well.
Brilliant.
Good place for a picnic.
Isn't it?
If you had one. Yeah. The head is made from hard volcanic rock, which formed as lava flowed from volcanoes around 400 million years ago. The different types of rocks accounts for the contrast in colour between the rocks of the head and those of the mainland cliffs. The softer sedimentary rocks have eroded over time, leaving behind the high headland made from the harder rock. But even this tough volcanic rock has been affected by the actions of the sea, leaving steep gullies and sea stacks.
Oh, God, there's a lot of up.
It's all up.
Yeah, footpath down actually, look, because you
Yeah,
do that.
and this one skirts it.
You wouldn't know there was a village down there, would you?
No. Tucked away behind those trees. But I bet they get some nice stormy days.
Yeah, that would be.
Oh yeah.
Oh, there's a lifeboat station as well.
Gosh. You probably need one here. You get the impression? See that rock? Stuck in the middle of the...
I assume the tide's it's still going out a bit, is it?
Probably. It's a great location.
It's super, isn't it?
And as we said, only a 20-minute drive up from Berwick. We have ventured into Scotland.
We have. Absolutely worth it. Without
Yes.
any shadow of a doubt. Particularly on a calm day like today.
Yeah,
Can't
we like
imagine what
this.
it's like with the winds blowing a hoolie.
Yeah, slightly different conditions.
Yeah.
We'll see more as we go up. Opens out.
Those rocks look more as though they're going to teeter off any minute.
They do. Morning.
This is lovely, isn't it?
Yes. Going to make for the top of this rise.
It's a whole thin ridge.
Uh-huh.
Oh, it's like somebody's just dropped one in there.
Yes, as I said, it sort of fills in the gap. Still got grass growing on there. We then walked down to the small fishing village of St Abbs. The village was originally known as Coldingham Shaw, the name St Abbs being adopted in the 1890s, derived from St Abbs Head. St Abbs is a popular site for scuba divers. The sea around the village is unusually clear, and these clear waters and the spectacular underwater scenery resulted in Britain's first voluntary marine reserve being established at St Abbs. The Marine Reserve was established on the 18th of August 1984 by David Bellamy. The East Coast fishing disaster was a severe European windstorm that struck the southeastern coast of Scotland on 14th of October 1881. 189 fishermen, most of whom were for Eyemouth, were drowned, and many citizens of Eyemouth call the day Black Friday.
These look fab and they taste fab.
Very good. Naughty lunch.
Just a bit, innit?
Sound of the sea. Is that Linda's farm? Oh, we'll crack that. Thank you. Number 1. Holy Island. 4 miles to the Scottish border.
You just make out 1, 2, but then you can't see the third.
It's pretty unusual for one town to have 3 bridges and particularly close together. See that water running out there as well? Strata, that is.
Strata.
Definitely strata.
walked all the way down on horizontal like that. He's been walking for a week and a half. He said, I had my feet done last year, he said, so I'm just, getting in.
So he's got...
He camped, he pitched his tent the other side of this wall. He said, I was just thinking, oh, this is lovely. He said, and all of a sudden this herd of cows appeared. He said, so I had to move, because they're very nosy, he said.
Well, he's done well if he's walked that far. Had it. Cocklawburn. Put them just on the end there. Does. Drive the van down here and park up there and spend the day.
Yeah, lovely, isn't it?
I think the tide's coming in. Yeah.
Oh, that was cold.
So this is a recognised car park for the beach. Sand dune grass. Oh yeah.
Look at that.
It went very quick though, as you said.
Oh, I can't believe that.